Ghana is building, and sometimes you don't even realize how fast things are changing until you walk through a community you once knew and see how different everything looks. My name is Nana Ya, and this is Flash GH. Today, I'm right here on the Santeo Road, one of the stretches that people used to complain about for years. A road that frustrated drivers, slowed down businesses, and brought plenty of dust into homes. But today, the story is taking a new turn. Today, this place is transforming right in front of our eyes. As I move deeper into Santeo, you can feel the energy of development. It's in the air. The community is awake. You can sense how hopeful people are. You see kids watching the construction machines with excitement. You see residents standing by the roadside, admiring the progress. You see motorists slowing down just to observe the new alignment of the road. That's how you know a community is grateful. That's how you know a project was needed. The first thing that hits you as you walk along the stretch is the number of machines working simultaneously. A grader in the distance carefully levels the ground to the required slope. An excavator digs deeper, where the engineers have mapped out weak sections. A roller moves back and forth over the gravel, compressing it until it forms a strong foundation for what will eventually be the asphalt layer. Tip trucks move in and out constantly, delivering materials that are spread and compacted almost immediately. There's no dull moment here. Everything is moving. Everything is active. You can see the construction supervisors in their reflective vests walking up and down the stretch, checking measurements, using leveling instruments, and giving instructions. This is the kind of coordination that tells you there's a solid plan behind every step. Nothing here looks random. Nothing looks rushed. They are taking their time to do it right, because a road is not just about today, it's about the next 20, 30, 40 years. If you don't prepare the right base, the road will fail as soon as the first heavy rains hit. But from what I'm seeing here, the team understands the importance of foundation work. As I walk further, I get to an area where the drainage system is being built, and this part is critical. The workers have dug deep trenches, lined them, and are now installing the concrete slabs that will form the drainage channel. You can see steel reinforcement bars sticking out, waiting for the next concrete pour. This is one of the most important parts of road construction in Ghana, because improper drainage is the #1 reason our roads deteriorate quickly. When rainwater doesn't have a proper channel, it finds its own path, usually under the road, and that's how potholes start. So seeing the amount of effort going into drainage alone is impressive. You can tell the contractors know exactly what they're doing. The workers themselves are a story. You can see the pride in their eyes. They may not say much, but the seriousness on their faces says everything. Some are bending steel rods, measuring them with accuracy. Others are guiding the concrete mixers, ensuring the mixture has the right consistency. A group of laborers is carefully aligning the culvert pipes, making sure they sit perfectly in the trench. Another team is smoothing out the fresh concrete so that water can flow smoothly. Watching them makes you appreciate how much physical effort goes into building a road. It's not magic, it's sweat, it's engineering, it's dedication. This road is going to change lives. It's going to change the face of Santeo entirely. Property owners will tell you how land prices rise when a road is fixed. Businesses will tell you how much easier it becomes to bring in goods. Taxi and trotro drivers will tell you how their maintenance costs drop dramatically when the roads improve. Parents will tell you how happy they are that the dust will finally reduce so their children won't be inhaling it every day. Sometimes we underestimate what a single road can do for a community. But standing here, watching everything unfold, you see the future clearly. What makes this story even more interesting is the issue of continuity. For decades, Ghana struggled with abandoned projects. Anytime power changed hands, the fear was that the new administration would discontinue the previous one's projects. So communities never knew if their schools, hospitals, markets, or roads would ever be completed. But what we are seeing here in Santeo is an example of proper governance. When a project starts and the next leadership continues it without interruption. This road could have easily been left to die, but it wasn't. And that kind of commitment deserves praise. This is what Ghana needs. This is how we progress as a nation. As I continue walking, I notice that different sections of the road are at different stages. Some areas have already been graded and compacted. Others are still being excavated. A long stretch further ahead has a layer of gravel already spread and compacted. Water tankers move in cycles, spraying the gravel to help it settle and to control dust. Every action you see serves a purpose, and every purpose leads to the final goal, a durable, asphalted, high-quality road. You can't talk about the Santeo Road without mentioning how much it will improve transportation efficiency. When this road is finally done, journeys that used to take almost an hour will be reduced to 10 or 15 minutes. Delivery drivers will be able to get to homes faster. Ride-hailing drivers will be more willing to enter the area. Schools and businesses will have better access. Emergency vehicles, ambulances, fire service, police will reach communities faster. These are real benefits. These are life-saving benefits. A good road also attracts investment. Already, you can see buildings springing up along the stretch, new shops opening, landowners clearing plots, developers planning new estates. People invest when they know an area has reliable access. So the Santeo Road isn't just a road, it is a catalyst. It is a trigger that will unlock bigger things for the community. As the sun begins to set, the light hits the construction site beautifully. The dust in the air sparkles. The machines cast long shadows. The workers wind down one phase only to prepare for the next day's tasks. And standing here, watching it all, you realize something powerful. Ghana is moving, sometimes slowly, sometimes faster than expected. But we are moving. There is something inspiring about seeing development with your own eyes, not hearing about it, not reading about it, not seeing it in political speeches, but physically standing in front of it, watching the workers, hearing the engines, feeling the vibration of the machines under your feet. That's when it hits you that this is real. This is happening, and this is the Ghana we want to see. A Ghana where projects start, continue, and finish. The Santeo Road is not just a transformation of infrastructure. It is a transformation of hope. It sends a message that communities that have waited for years will eventually get what they deserve. It sends a message that leadership can stay committed. It sends a message that development is possible, not in theory, but in real life. My name is Nana Yah, and this is Flash GH. Today, we brought you another ground-level look at real development happening in Ghana. No exaggeration, no promises, no stories, just progress, just work, just results. Ghana is building, and we will continue to document every single step.
Shawty got job holding 3 kids. Daddy not around, try to make it. Every single guy wanna naked, but she wanna move on to the big shit. Hey, been so lost, I can't move on. Don't sleep no more. I want you close, and I will wait for you. And I will wait. Flying to a star on a spaceship. Gotta move fast, gotta Flying to a star on a spaceship. Gotta move fast, gotta make it. Whatever it takes to get to you. Whatever it takes. Flying to a star on a spaceship. Gotta move fast, gotta make it. Whatever it takes to get to you. Whatever it takes. Shawty got drive, holding 3 kids. Daddy not around, try to make it. Every single guy wanna naked, but she wanna move on to the big shit, ayy. Been so lost, I can't move on. Don't sleep no more, I want you close. And I will wait for you, and I will wait. Flying to a star on a spaceship. Gotta move fast, gotta make it. Whatever it takes to get to you. Whatever it takes. Flying to a star on a spaceship. Gotta move fast, gotta make it. Whatever it takes to get to you. Whatever it takes. Flying to a star on a spaceship. Gotta move fast, gotta make it. Whatever it takes to get to you. Whatever it takes. Flying to a star on a spaceship. Gotta move fast, gotta make it. Whatever it takes to get to you. Whatever it takes. Shawty